How to use Proxy-N-VPN private proxies to open up blocked social media sites. If you are looking for unrestricted access of social media sites, then the best option would be to opt for private proxies. Social media access is restricted in various places like libraries and schools for security reasons. However, users can unblock these sites and get over firewall protections easily by using proxy social media sites. Social media proxies enable the users to surf the web anonymously and to access various social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. Social media proxies enable the users to bypass restrictions like content filtering mechanisms and firewall features without compromising on the privacy of the users. The proxy server, either transparent or anonymous, will connect to the social media sites, get the page that was requested and redirect and send data back to the user. These HTTP proxies are great options to bypass any geo-blocks. Private proxies can be used effectively for social media marketing, as the users can access several social media accounts and to do your marketing through that. You can post unlimited comments and tweets without the risk of being blocked by Google by using dedicated proxies. It is also well suited for SEO programs for companies that are located in different geographical locations, as the employees will not be able to access most of the social media sites in another country from their original IP address. Social media proxies let the users to access social media sites in different geographical locations and countries without any problem. Dedicated proxies can also be put to use for market research and consumer behavior mapping. Proxies allow the users to measure the consumer behavior from social media feedback, which would not have been possible from a single IP address. Social media proxies help you access any site irrespective of whether it is blocked or not from your location by remaining anonymous. You can easily purchase these social media proxies online, which are available in various price ranges. Proxy-N-VPN private proxies features, compatible with different browsers like Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, and Chrome. An uptime of 99% that allows the users easy access 24/7. Well suited for market research, SEO programs, and online marketing.